How to turn off login notifications on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch Facebook app on a device. Log into your account. Navigate to three-line icon at top right. Now scroll down. Locate Setting and Privacy and tap to open it. Now launch Settings. From the Setting and Privacy section, tap See More in Account Center. Now scroll down and look for the option of Passwords and Security under Account Setting. Tap to open it. Now once on this page, tap Login Alerts under Security Checks. And now tap on your Facebook application and on-check in-app notifications in order to turn off your login notifications on Facebook. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.